to see the waves that follow the west wind is singing. The calm marine sun of Hamgyongyeon, a golden wave in the Panporipogu는. The tranquil beach town, slow flowing time. Smell of the sea permeates my longing. The romance of car camping, the night with nature. Those of us traveling with full of hope. The sound of being carried by the Jeju wind. Back to the memories that played around when I was young. Hit the sound of the seagull, the sound of the waves. The story of Panpopu unfolds. This road that walks along the stone wall road. This tranquility that I feel while looking at the sea. In a lighthouse, lighting up the night. It's a light that soothes your tired mind. Panpopogu는, always a good summer resort. A dreamy time with the sea. Our memories in the blue wave, that beauty that will be remembered forever. The romance of car camping, the breath of the sea. Panpopogu는, the resting place in my heart. The sunset colored evening sky, the setting sun falling asleep while coloring the sea red. Peaceful evening, Hamgyongyeon, relaxation in the calm sea. The joy of the day that I spent safely today. On a happy evening in a calm wave. The waves dancing in the silver moonlight. The whisper of the sea, the silence of the night. Under the starry sky, dreaming of being a Panpopogunen. A calm dawn, a day that begins again. A morning with the romance of car camping. In this life with the sea. Panpopogunen, always a good summer resort. A dreamy time with the sea. Our memories in the blue wave, that beauty that will be remembered forever. The romance of car camping, the breath of the sea. Panpopogunen, the resting place in my heart.